Father Yah here, aka Rabbi Yahmillay, and this is another Dirty Kango freestyle rap. Alright, here it goes.
Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic. Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic. Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic.
Perfect. Perfect.
Top of the morning with the way you hear and get heard. What I was just on at Sesame Street, Flips Big Bird, Snuffleupagus snuffing it up, happy. Right, word son, I'm just stunting like your daddy, making money by a bunch. Looks like I got it all the time and it's only what you had once. Didn't know that you wanted two gats that badly. In the slum scene for a month, I always bring my water bun to seas. Flying got me on the beach with a blunt. If your girl ride me, she in lodge. And I'm inside. She tries to keep meat in her butt. She ain't satisfied till meat's in there stuck. That's why she sleep in the bed like a fiend in the truck. Not $300. She wanna fuck for tea tree in a cup. Ops gotta hold me till I beat her and hump. How's the gore ratio? I ask because my meter is junk. I'm from the hood too, but only near where people are see-through cold, coping where the heat's gonna come. Your team isn't pumped. Your whole team is just bums. Please do not use light years to be explained because I see that as dumb. I pound girls woke or napping. They fear my front private at large. And when I'm done, they're happy that it won't. Take my word for it. Don't do dirty shit. That's like kidnapping a skunk.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic. Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic. Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic. Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic. Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic.
Perfect. Perfect.
Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic. Excuse me? Well, then, open your butt. Prophetic.